Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is our Renvyle Living Range. In the Renvyle Living Range we'll find a coffee table, a nest of tables, a TV unit that is available in 2 sizes and a sofa table that is also available in 2 sizes. The Renvyle range is carefully carved from raw and solid oak wood and is accented by black metal details, which gives it an industrial feel. The wood and metal are a stunning combination, and despite the industrial feel, this range would slot into any interior style. The coffee table that is in this range is quite unusual as it is square in shape and it measures at 80 by 85 centimetres in width. And with the additional bottom shelf, this coffee table will be an ideal addition to any home lacking in storage space. As mentioned, we have 2 sofa tables, a small and a large version. These measure at 25 centimetres in width and 42 centimetres in width. Sofa tables are a great solution if you don't have enough floor space for a traditional coffee table, as they tuck away neatly over your sofa. They're also very handy for when you want to enjoy a cup of tea in the evening. The Renvyle range is also available in a dining range. Shop the complete Renvyle range by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.